So Wei Wan, how long have you been into crossword puzzles?
Crossword puzzles? You mean like those Sudoku with like letters, right? I don't know. I'm not sure I've seen one.
Well, here, would you like to try one?
Ooh. So, oh, look, Will Shortz is on here. I didn't know he did these cross-letter puzzles or whatever he called them. What's the deal with all these letters? How do they add up? All right, let's try this. Let's see, W plus R equals Y. And wait, this doesn's make sense. This isn't in sequence. It's like, what kind of this makes absolutely no logical sense. Why are you giving me this? Is this some kind of joke? Am I on camera? Huh? Yep. Screw that. Give me a magazine and a beer. Ooh, ESPN magazine. Excellent.